How to report a chat on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can report a chat on Clubhouse, and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Clubhouse account, just like I've done here. And once you are logged in, the next step is to go to your feed icon to view your feed activity, if that is where the chat is. All right, just find your way to the chats that you'd like to report. So for me, I'm going to use this particular meeting as an example. So just head over to the chat and long press on the chat that you'd like to report. Then you'll see the red options for you to view the person's profile. You can see copy, you can see hide, then you can see report. So click on report and then you'll be taken to the next stage. All right, why are you reporting this particular chat? So select the category that best fits the issue, provide more details about the violation, and then click on submit. Once you submit your report, you would see a confirmation screen indicating that the incident has been reported, and then Clubhouse will review this and provide take the necessary actions. So this is how to report a chat on Clubhouse. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.